Over the past 100 years, free market capitalism has vastly improved our standard of living. It has allowed us to make significant technological advances, to satiate our most diverse needs and demands, to radically change our way of life. Free market economics have provided us with the tools to travel the globe, to give us products beyond our wildest dreams, and to build vast cities. Free markets accurately reflect supply and demand within our society. They allow us to price everything, from our most basic commodities to our most advanced inventions. Capitalism efficiently allocates our scarce resources to the things we value the most. However, despite all of our progress, free market economics fails to acknowledge the environmental impact of our actions. Since 1950, carbon emissions have increased by over 300%. According to scientific consensus, increased carbon emissions directly cause climate change. The increase in Earth's global temperature has had destructive effects on the environment. It has melted the polar ice caps, destroyed wildlife habitats, and has significantly increased the number and intensity of tropical storms. Global sea levels have risen by 4 to 8 inches in the past century and could potentially lead to an underwater Manhattan. This rampant environmental degradation is one of today's most pressing problems. So how can we use free market economics, our number one tool, to solve climate change, our number one problem? Currently, people have little incentive to change their lifestyle to help the environment. But why not use money, mankind's most powerful incentive, to generate change? Enter carbon credits. These financial instruments represent a reduction of carbon emissions into our atmosphere. These credits place a monetary price on our polluting activities. By creating a market for carbon credits, people can earn money for their emissions reductions. Furthermore, by trading these credits, we can use market forces to reduce carbon emissions at the lowest cost to society. Some organizations have already created such trading systems to efficiently reduce carbon emissions through comparative advantage. The Chicago Climate Exchange is the world's first, and North America's only, active, voluntary, legally binding trading exchange for carbon credits. With the international adoption of trading standards, we can finally begin to acknowledge and account for the environmental impact of our progress.